Dear investors, there are three guru mantras of wealth creation: regular investment, little drops of water make ocean; long-term investment, you have to wait for 12 years to get good mangoes from a mango tree; asset allocation, don't put all eggs in one basket. People are familiar with long-term investment, but asset allocation is something which they get confused. Making money is essentially buying things which are cheap and selling which are expensive. It's so easy to say, but very difficult to do. Kotak Balance Advantage Fund allocates equity between 20% to 80% of fund, looking at the valuation. When we are allocating 20 to 40% in pure equity, we are looking at equity markets becoming expensive. When we allocate between 60 to 80%, we are looking at equity markets becoming cheap. And 40 to 60% allocation is a neutral allocation. I'm very happy to say that over last 2 years, Kotak Balance Advantage Fund has been able to capture directionally this saying of buying when things are cheap and selling when things are expensive. On 17th of Jan 2020, when Nifty touched 12,352, our pure equity allocation in Kotak Balance Advantage Fund came down to 39%. This was a signal that markets are becoming expensive and one should become marginally underweight in equity. On 24th March 2020, when Nifty bottomed at 7,801, our equity allocation touched 75%. This was a signal to be super overweight in equity. On 31st August, when Nifty is about 11,387, we are somewhere towards neutral allocation with 45% allocation to equity. Directionally, we bought equity when markets were cheap in March 20. Directionally, we sold equity when markets were becoming expensive in Jan 20. And today, we are at neutral weight. Our model of balancing our Balance Advantage Fund has worked well in past 2 years. And I'll recommend you to look at our website and see how much equity we are allocating in our Balance Advantage Fund to decide for you whether you should be overweight equity like in the month of March 20, or you should be underweight equity like in the month of Jan 20, or you should be neutral weight equity like we are speaking today.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.